Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to check if your electrical outlet is wired correctly or not. And to do that I'm going to be using this outlet circuit tester. So it has a diagram right on the actual tester itself. So if we look at it, if only the light down in the middle illuminates, you have an open ground, which means that your ground wire, your copper wire, is not connected properly. If you have only this light illuminated right here, that's an open neutral, which means your white wire is not connected properly. If nothing is illuminated, you have an open hot, or the black wire is not connected. If you have this light and this light illuminated, that means your hot and your ground, or your black and your copper wires are reversed and you need to switch them. If you have just these two illuminated, that means your hot and neutral, or your white and black wires are reversed and you need to switch them. If you have just these two illuminated, that means everything's good and you do not need to correct anything. So one note to make, if you have anything plugged into the outlet, just make sure you unplug it so you get an accurate reading. And all you have to do, this is for a 3-prong outlet, you just plug it right in, just like that. And as we can see, these two illuminate, so everything's all good and wired correctly, so we don't need to take any action. So if you look at the back of the package, it also has the instructions, and what I just explained here is all explained in this chart right here. So that's all there is to it, folks. Hopefully you found this helpful, and hopefully this will keep you safe. Very fairly cheap and easy thing to use to make sure, as electrical components are very hazardous if not connected properly. So again, hopefully you found it helpful, and as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.